Hi guys, welcome to Mat++. This channel is dedicated to bringing you easy to understand tutorials for C++ and other languages. For the first video, I'm going to be showing you what programs you're going to need to start writing code with. And if you're already set up, just go ahead and skip to the next video, and that's where we're going to actually be doing some programming. The first program that you're going to see today is CodeBlocks. So if you go to codeblocks.org/download/26, which I will leave a link for in the description, you will see codeblocks-17.12, mingw-setup.exe. This is going to be what you're wanting if you don't already have a compiler installed. I'm going to assume for the most part nobody really does, so go ahead and pick this one. If you have a compiler installed, you're going to want to pick the first option up at the top that says -setup.exe. This is a great lightweight program. I actually used this my freshman year in university. It's great for beginners, it's user-friendly. There's not a lot you can do to kind of mess it up. Whereas Visual Studio, you can tweak some things, and if you don't know what you're doing, it might mess it up a little bit. If you're wanting to use something that's a little more powerful, something that's the industry standard for programming, for career programmers, you're going to want to go to visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads and download the community version of this program. For those of you who don't know what I mean when I say IDE, an IDE is an integrated developer's environment, and what this is, it's just a program that allows us to write code and execute it in one program. It's going to make us be better programmers by giving us suggestions as well as alerting us to possible errors. So, other than that, this is the first video. It's just a short and sweet one. Go ahead over to the next video once you get set up. There we're going to be learning about data types, libraries, getting output to the screen, getting input from a user, and also learning just standard programming procedures. So once you guys are set up, I will see you over there. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any issues whatsoever, please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help you guys.